Hello guys, the next topic that we are going to discuss today is Committee on Public Undertakings. Okay, right. So, what are the functions of this Committee on Public Undertakings? So, there are different public sector units which are formed by the Government of India. This Committee on Public Undertakings assess this public sector units. So, what are the function of this public Committee on Public Undertakings? So, to examine the reports of public undertakings, to examine reports of CAG which are being made by the CAP on different PSUs, to examine that public undertakings are managed by sound business principle and prudent commerce. Okay, to examine functions of PAC and estimate committee which are allotted by the speaker. Okay, so these are the functions of the public undertaking Committee on Public Undertakings. So let's see what is the structure of this committee. Okay, so in all there are members from Rajya Sabha. There are 7. From Lok Sabha there are 15. So total 22. Okay. So let's see how are the members elected. The members are elected by proportional representation by single transferable vote for 1 year. Okay. Members are elected for 1 year term and elected every year. Okay. So the chairman is elected by speaker which is of Lok Sabha. So this should be kept in mind while studying. Okay. So after looking after the functions and the structure of the committee, let's see what the committee can't examine. It can't examine the matters of major government policies, day-to-day administration, matter for consideration of which machinery is established by any special statute. Okay, so this should be kept in mind. So what are the criticisms of this committee? Not more than 10 to 12 public sector units are examined. It doesn't look in the technical matter. Committee is of post-mortem nature, and as always that it's the committee recommendation of this committee are advisory. So this could be kept in mind. So let's see, let's revise fast. So 22 members are present here. Lok Sabha 15, Rajya Sabha 7. Okay, recommendations are advisory. Okay, so the members are elected every 1 year. Okay, so this point should be kept in mind while studying Committee on Public Undertakings. So till then, have a good day, and we will meet in the next lecture.